In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add receipts to Xero. So first of all, go to xero.com. Once you are here, click on try Xero for free if you don't have any account. But if you do have an account, then click on login. I have an account, that's why I have clicked it here. And now enter your credentials. So this is my email address, and now I need to enter my password here. Now all we need to do is click on login. Once you sign up here or log in here, go to the Xero dashboard, and here you will see your business name or your account name. So we just need to click on this drop down and then select the business or account you want to go with. So I want to go with this sample business account here, and now we need to click on files from here, and after that it will take us to this page. Here we can upload our receipts. You can upload your receipts into JPG format, PNG or PDF format. You can also change your email address here. If you want to change it, then click on these three dots and now click on reset email address to reset this one. But I want to upload my receipts here. For that, click on upload file, and then it will open your file explorer. If you have your PDF file, then select it and then hit open, and it will start uploading your PDF invoice in your Xero. If you want to preview it, then click on your file from here, and then it can show you the preview of your invoice. So this is the invoice I have. And now this time I want to upload a PNG file. So this is the invoice, select it, then click on open, and now your PNG file will be uploaded as well. I can open the preview here. In case you want to add additional details for your invoice, then for that go next to your invoice and click on these three dots and choose the sales invoice or any invoice type you want to have. So this is the sales invoice, so I need to select sales invoice here, and then it will take me to this page. And here we can add all the details for our invoice, like contact details, issue date, due date, invoice number. You can insert all the details here, like amount and all. Once you fill all your details here, click on save and close, and this thing will be saved with your invoice file. So this is the complete process to add receipts to Xero. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.